In this video, we will show you how to create, assign, and remove a category in WordPress. What are WordPress categories? Categories offer a simple yet powerful way to organize your posts into meaningful groups. Creating custom categories makes it easier for visitors to navigate your site and quickly find the content they want. In this demo, we'll explain how to create categories effectively and how to use them to enhance your site's structure. You can access your WordPress dashboard in two ways: through your Bluehost account manager or through direct login to WordPress. For the Bluehost account manager method, please follow these steps. Log into your Bluehost account manager with your username and password. Please enter the verification code sent to your email and click Authenticate. In the Account Manager, click Websites in the left menu. Click the WordPress admin button for the website you wish to manage. Your WordPress dashboard will open in a new tab. For the direct WordPress login method, please follow these steps. In your browser, enter your domain name followed by a /wp-admin. On the login page, enter your WordPress username and password. How to create a category. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to create a category. Click on Posts in the left-hand menu, then select Categories. On the Categories page, you'll see on the left of the page a form to add a new category, and the list of existing categories on the right. To create a category, fill out the form with the following details: name, the category title, slug, a unique URL-friendly version of the name, parent category, select a parent category to create a subcategory, description, a brief explanation of what the category is about. Finally, click Add Category. Your new category will appear on the right side and ready to be assigned to posts. Let's assign a category to a post. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to assign a category to a post. Click on Posts in the left-hand menu, then select All Posts. Locate the post you'd like to assign to a category. Then, click Quick Edit from the options that appear below the post title. In the Quick Edit page, look for the Categories section beside the post title. Check the box next to the category you want to assign. Then, click the Update button at the bottom to save your changes. In the All Posts section, you'll notice that your post now displays the assigned category, confirming that the update was successful. How to remove a category from a post? Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to remove a category from a post. Click on Posts in the left-hand menu, then select All Posts. Locate the post you'd like to remove from a category. Click Quick Edit from the options that appear below the post title. Look for the Categories section beside the post title in the Quick Edit page. Uncheck the box next to the category you want to remove. Then, click the Update button at the bottom to save your changes. In the All Posts section, you'll see that your post is no longer assigned to a category. Boom! There you have it! You've just learned how to manage categories in WordPress.